Kulush Usman and Arturul Ghazi behind the scene photo album. Kulush Usman and Arturul Ghazi cast behind the scene. Gunduz Bey and Usman Bey, Dwan, Bamsi, Turgut, Usman Bey with his elves, Turgut, Little Usman, Bamsi, Bala Hatun, Malhoon Hatun and Usman Bey, Turgut, Arturul Ghazi, Bamsi, Aya Nicola and Usman Bey, Arturul with Turgut and Dwan, Konur Elf, Turhan, Turgut and Boran Elf, Dwan, Turgut, Arturul Bey, Bamsi, Ali Shar, Gunduz and Dundar, Abdurrahman Ghazi with elves, Bamsi Bey with his daughter Islihan, Kulush Usman Season 1 cast, Abdurrahman Ghazi, Turgut and Ibn al-Arabi, Dwan, Arturul Ghazi, Bamsi Bey with Kulush Usman Season 1 cast, Abdurrahman with Noyan, Aliyar Bey with Arturul and Turgut, Goktob, Usman, Boran, Arturul Ghazi, Usman Bey, Abdurrahman Ghazi with Imran Abbas, Turgut Bey, Boran, Jer Kutai, Konur Elf, Bala and Malhoom Hatun, Kulush Usman Season 1 cast, Boran, Aigul and Goktob, Kulush Usman Season 3 cast, Boran, Jer Kutai and Usman Bey, Kulush Usman Season 2 cast, Arturul Ghazi Season 3 cast, Goktob, Boran and Genje Bey, Boran, Dundar, Jer Kutai, Osman, Ogoz, Sungar Tekin, Abdurrahman, Aya Nicola and Usman Bey, Gunja Hatun, Dundar and Gunduz Bey and Zohra Hatun, Usman Ghazi cast, Usman Bey and Zohra Hatun, Usman Bey, Arturul Ghazi cast behind the scene, Gunduz Bey birthday celebration, Akhtamur Bey, Boran and Akhtamur Bey, Bamsi Bey with Aslihan and Ibers, Boran Elf, Bamsi Bey, Boran Elf, Turgut Bey behind the scene, Usman Bey with Fawad Chaudhry, Bamsi Bey and Gunduz Bey, Abdurrahman Ghazi and Boran Elf, Kulush Usman Season 1 cast, Genje by Sungur, Goktob and Saltu, Usman Ghazi cast with President of Pakistan Dr. Arif Alvi, Usman Ghazi cast with Queen of Malaysia, President Dr. Arif Alvi with Mehmet Bozdag, Arturul Ghazi cast, Usman Ghazi set, Usman Ghazi and Dundar Bey, Aisha Hatun with Fatima, Kulush Usman set, Dr. Arif Alvi on Kulush Usman set, Kulush Usman cast, Bala Hatun and Malhoon Hatun with Alauddin and Orhan, Gorgeous Bala Hatun, Usman Bey behind the scene, Usman Bey with President of Turkey Recep Tayyip Erdogan, Dundar Bey with Usman Bey, Hafsa, Ilbilge, Sarjan and Sirma, Malhoom Sarjan, Bala, Gunduz, Bala Hatun with Halime, Usman Bey with Genje Bey, Dundar with Goku, Jer Kutai and Aigul wedding celebration, Turgut Bey with elves, Kulush Usman Hatuns, Bala Hatun and Aisha Hatun, Artichi Hatun and Aisha Hatun, Usman Bey, Boran and Akhtamur on Jer Kutai wedding, Boran Elf, Artichi, Aisha Hatun and Malhoon Hatun, Turgut Bey, Usman and Elf enjoying Jer Kutai wedding, Fatima with Ulgan Hatun, Usman Bey on set, Jer Kutai wedding ceremony, Usman Bey and Honcha Hatun, Fatima with Jer Kutai Elf, Fatima with Aktamur Bey, Fatima with Boran El, Fatima with Baisungur El, Fatima with Turhan El, Fatima, Aktamur and Alauddin. Kulush Usman last episode behind the scene. Usman Ghazi cast with special fan. Rishi Gunbano last episode behind the scene. Jay Kutayel, Boran El, Usman Bey, Bala Hatun and Malhoon Khatun, Jay Kutay and Turhan El, Elves in Happy Mood, Boran El and Alauddin. Kulush Usman Season 4 cast, Kulush Usman Season 4 finale, Usman Ghazi Season 4 finale, Elves on Season 4 finale, Boran El with Season 4 cast, Aktamur look on Season 4 finale, Kuno El, Hatuns on Season 4 finale, Ulwan Hatun with Kara Ate, Ulwan Hatun with Boran El, Jay Kutay and Takku Valens, Ulwan Hatun and Jay Kutay. Kulush Usman Season 4 cast, Usman Bey, Gurbuz El, Turhan El, Aisha Hatun, Gurbuz El and Ulwan Hatun. Usman Bey behind the scene. Kulush Usman Season 4 last day. Rishi Gun and Elves. Aktamur with Boran. Malhoon Hatun with Saljan Hatun. Usman Bey with Shamil. Aktamur in Happy Mood. Usman Bey. Shamil Elf with Boran Elf and Aktamur. Naiman, Boran, Turhan and Jay Kutay Elf. Bala Hatun, Aktamur Bey. Thanks for watching.